All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at these vacuum seal bags. Now, this is the second pair that I've got from this brand because number one, we use them for traveling, and number two, we use it for storing things that are out of season. So like blankets, seasonal decorations and stuff like that. We'll go ahead and vacuum seal those up and put them in the closet. So this is what they look like. This one right here is gonna be an 18 pack. So you're gonna get 6 of the 24, 6 of the 26 inch, and then 6 of the 30 inch. Now they also have other sizes too. So if you're looking for something smaller, they have all the way down to 9 total pieces, 12 pieces, 15 pieces, and then this one right here is the biggest one, which is 18 pieces. So the way that these are gonna work is you're gonna wanna open the bag up like that. And we're gonna put our clothes in. One of the things I really appreciate about these bags right off the bat is the fact that these are opening on the side. They have a side load, so you're able to fit bigger things in here, and it just makes life a lot easier than having to try and fit it through the narrow side up at the top. So when we're putting clothes in here, if you don't want your clothes to be wrinkled, make sure that you fold them really, really flat, nice and even. Then we're gonna place them in here neatly. And then that's it. Now we're gonna close this up. So it's gonna come with these little clips. Now these clips are really helpful because if you've ever dealt with any type of vacuum seal bag, the main issue that a lot of people have is honestly just kind of trying to close this. It's really annoying. The little tracks get misaligned and then you're just sitting there struggling and pissed off. So what I do is you're gonna just take one of these clips. You could clip it right here on the side and I'll show you up close so you can kind of see what that clip looks like on the side. Then you just grab it, seal it all the way closed, and this is gonna be perfect because all the tracks line up. Now we're done. That is it. Then you can put your clips back. You can see they give you a bunch of clips. I think they give you probably about 18 clips in here as well. So, you know, these are easy to lose because they're nice and small, but you could even kind of leave them on the edges here. Sometimes they do pop off, but sometimes I'll just leave them kind of snapped onto the edge like that when I'm done. Now, this is gonna come with a USB-C rechargeable vacuum, and it also will show you the battery life and everything on here as well. I feel like this does about, I don't know, 100 different total suctions at a time. So once this runs out, you could just go ahead and recharge it, but it does last a long time. Okay, so now what we do is we're gonna take this up at the top. We've got our piece right here. You're just gonna press this down on it, click the button, hold it down, and it's gonna get to work. So let's watch it. Then when it's done, you can just pop this off and you don't have to worry about the air leaking out right now. It has like a little seal on it, so you can kind of see that circular seal right there. That part is not gonna let air out. Now we'll put this cap on just for double protection, and look how thin this actually is. It came out extremely thin, which is exactly what we want. And again, this is an 18 pack of these, so you're able to fit so much clothes in here. And even just this one right here is the 24-inch version. This one is extremely large for the smallest size in the pack. The biggest one here, I think this one here is the 30-inch, and look how big this one is. This is good for comforters, bedding, anything large like that. Winter coats also are a great use case for this. But if you're looking for a pack of vacuum seal bags, this is the one that I would recommend. Number one, because these are extremely high quality. They're very easy to do. Plus, they also come with the vacuumer on itself. They give you a charger on here as well. And these little clips are extremely helpful, and a lot of other vacuum bags on Amazon just don't have that. So if you're looking for something to kind of pack things away, make your traveling easier, or just store things easier at home, then I would definitely recommend picking these up and trying them out.